Le Creuset has dominated premium cookware for a century, and most buyers assume every piece comes from that legendary French foundry. It does not. Only one product line is still forged in Fresnoy-le-Grand. The rest are made in China, Thailand, and Portugal. 5 American brands are quietly outperforming that reputation, and one costs roughly half the price. So what exactly is that premium paying for? For most consumers, that premium is paid for French craftsmanship. But the historic foundry in Fresnoy-le-Grand only pours enameled cast iron. The rest of the catalog relies on standard, outsourced manufacturing. When buying a Le Creuset ceramic baking dish, stoneware mug, or silicone spatula, consumers purchase goods manufactured in China and Thailand. Their stainless steel line is forged in Portugal. However, the company's heritage-focused packaging and marketing obscure these origins, letting the historic reputation cover the entire catalog. Online consumer data reveals that up to 80% of buyers believe the entire product family is French-made. This disconnect leaves shoppers paying luxury heritage prices for imported goods made in the same global manufacturing hubs as everyday kitchen brands. For cooks seeking genuine domestic origin, 360 Cookware manufactures its entire line in West Bend, Wisconsin. Production takes place at a Green E certified facility where skilled workers form each pan from T304 surgical grade stainless steel. Unlike mainstream brands that rely on chemical nonstick layers, these pans are constructed with zero PFOA, PFAS, or Teflon coatings, relying instead on multi-clad metal and precision heat distribution. The brand backs this durability with a lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects, offering the same long-term protection promised by legacy European imports. Yet, the economics favor the consumer. A 10-inch fry pan retails for $142, positioning the brand below the standard retail pricing of comparable high-end stainless steel imports. This provides a transparent option where the buyer pays for material quality and American labor rather than an inflated marketing budget. In North Charleston, South Carolina, a different class of premium cookware is poured and hand-finished. Smithey Ironware rejects modern assembly lines to recreate the distinct weight and satin feel of 19th century American cast iron. Workers cast each piece locally, grinding a traditional heat ring onto the bottom, a classic design element common in antique foundries, but abandoned by modern mass production. The interior surface undergoes extensive machining and hand polishing to achieve a smooth, non-stick cooking surface. This labor-intensive process delivers the tactile character and prestige of a true heirloom. Yet, this South Carolina craft presents a direct challenge to imported luxury. A traditional 12-inch skillet retails for around $200, offering domestic heritage and superior searing performance at roughly half the price of Le Creuset's signature enameled skillet. In Allentown, Pennsylvania, Stargazer Cast Iron takes a different approach, abandoning decorative enamel entirely to focus on raw material, safety, and long-term durability. By stripping away the glass coating, these pans eliminate the risk of enamel chipping, a common failure mode where microscopic glass shards can fleck into food during cooking. To address modern safety concerns, independent laboratory testing using inductively coupled plasma mass spectrometry confirms these Pennsylvania cast skillets are entirely free of lead, cadmium, mercury, and arsenic, with heavy metal levels falling below the strict detection limit of 0.1 parts per million. Instead of fragile coatings, the cookware relies on a smooth, double-seasoned surface that naturally releases food. In side-by-side durability trials, enameled pans showed minor edge chipping within 150 use cycles, while the Stargazer seasoned surface remained completely pristine past 200. While Le Creuset's enameled skillets retail for $250, a 12-inch Stargazer skillet costs $100. This offers home cooks a chemically certified, practically indestructible alternative at 60% less than the French counterpart, proving that superior durability does not require a luxury import markup. For home cooks determined to stick with enameled cast iron, but unwilling to pay the European heritage markup, the direct alternative comes from Great Jones. The brand's 12-inch King Sear enameled skillet retails for $125. A comparable 12-inch enameled skillet from Le Creuset costs $250. This represents an exact 50% price drop for the same category of cookware. But cutting the price in half raises immediate questions about performance. In independent side-by-side tests, both pans were subjected to identical heat distribution and high heat searing trials. The Great Jones skillet achieved comparable searing temperatures and matched the heat retention of its French counterpart, delivering clean food release and uniform browning on proteins. While the luxury import displayed slightly richer color uniformity on its exterior, the actual cooking outcomes were functionally identical. This direct matchup reveals that a home cook can secure equivalent performance without paying the $125 brand premium, making this the clearest single-item retail challenge in the entire investigation. In 2017, a different retail structure challenged legacy kitchen markups. Made in bypassed traditional department store distributors to sell premium cookware straight to consumers. Unlike brands claiming a strictly domestic identity, the company built its credibility on supply chain transparency. They openly mapped their production, partnering with multi-generation, family-owned workshops across Europe and the United States. Their multiply stainless steel is produced in a French mill. Their copper core cookware is forged in an Italian foundry, and their aluminum components are formed in a domestic plant. This global sourcing model prioritizes regional manufacturing expertise over geographic marketing labels. This streamlined model translates to measurable performance. In a series of independent 3-year durability and heat conductivity trials, product testers and major culinary publications placed Made-in's 5-ply stainless steel in the same professional-grade tier as the industry's most expensive heritage brands. The testing confirmed uniform heat distribution, rapid temperature response, and zero warping under high heat. By detailing exactly where each material is sourced and eliminating standard retail distribution markups, the brand provides home cooks with elite, chef-trusted tools, proving that top-tier performance does not require paying a luxury brand name premium. To map these options side by side, a standard 4-piece kitchen set provides the baseline: a 12-inch enameled skillet, a stainless steel saucepan, a cast iron Dutch oven, and a high-capacity stock pot. Buying this setup directly from Le Creuset requires a retail outlay of $900. Replacing that configuration with a curated selection of competitive alternatives changes the math. A 12-inch Great Jones enameled skillet costs $125 compared to $250 for the Le Creuset equivalent. A Stargazer Cast Iron Dutch oven costs $120, bypassing Le Creuset's $380 price tag. Adding a 360 cookware surgical-grade saucepan and a Made-in 5-ply stainless stock pot brings the alternative total to $667. When factoring in premium accessories, the legacy set climbs to between $1,200 and $1,400, while the alternative configuration averages $500 to $650. This represents an aggregate reduction of 55 to 60%. This stark gap reveals that the premium paid for a legacy logo does not fund superior materials or cooking outcomes, but rather the overhead of a global luxury marketing machine. Today, heritage is no longer a guarantee of origin. As transparency becomes the true standard of luxury, the choice is no longer about buying a status symbol, but investing in verifiable performance. Which matters more to you? Let us know in the comments.